Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you Python. Our topic is adding two numbers in Python. In order to do that, we need first to install Python. I assume that you guys have installed Python. To check, just switch to command prompt and press enter. After typing Python, when we get version number and license details, that means Python is installed on your system. Here now we can start adding two numbers in Python. In Python prompt, as you see, type x and assign it value with 100. Press enter. After that again type y and assign it value with 50. Right. Press enter and again assign z. The value should be x plus y under the bracket. After pressing enter, Python print command will help you to get the result right now. In order to do that, just type bracket. After hitting enter, you can see that 150 as a total value printed on screen. It is because that z we have defined a variable z and assign it with x plus y that literally will do the adding of two numbers. The x is defined already 100, y is defined as 50, so we get the result x plus y equal to 150. That's the end of coding. Thanks for having me.